What is up, guys? Done at the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix hotel booking system tutorial on Wix Studio. So first, you need to head over to your Wix Studio's website, and then you just simply need to log in with your Wix Studio account credentials. After that, you just simply need to choose the site that you want to create as hotel booking. But if you also, you can create a new site too. I'll just select this site, and after clicking on select site here, the site settings will open. And from this site settings, I'll just simply name my site by just clicking on my site. And after that, here, I will just simply click on this three site action dots. I'll click on rename site. And after that, I'll name my site as my hotel. And after that, I'll click on save. And after clicking on save, here, this will start renaming my site. And when the site is renamed, you just simply need to connect your custom domain. And after connecting your custom domain on the left side, you need to click on apps and then click on app market. After clicking on app market, here at the top search bar, you need to click on it once and then you need to just simply type in Wix Hotels. And after that, here you will see the Wix Hotels extension. Simply click on this once to open your Wix Hotels extension. And when this loads in the new window, here you will see the option to add to site. Simply click on add to site. And after that, you can also choose multiple sites, but I just want to add on this particular site. I'll just simply click on agree and add. And after that, here in the new tab, this will start adding the Wix Hotel extensions to my site. And as you can see here at the background, this is my site, and this is simply adding Wix Hotels to my this particular site that I have set it as my hotel. And when the Wix Hotel extension has been added, you can just simply edit the section, edit the pages and menu, site design. You can add multiple apps other than Wix Hotels if you want to, and you can also add some media and CMS if you want. And here after that, when you are done, on the right side, you will see the publish button. Simply click on this publish button to publish your website. And as you can see, my site is published and live online. To view my site, I just simply need to click on this view site and then I can visit my site online on the internet. So in the new tab here, my site will open on the internet. And as you can see, this is the site URL and this is my particular site that I just created and published on Wix Studio. So this is how you can create a hotel management site on Wix Studio. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.